Okay, so today's video is all about why you need a 3D printer to play Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. This is a 3D printed handle that someone put on Thingiverse. I will link in the description. But what I found was, when playing Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch, it's just very difficult to move your fingers up and down, especially when you're trying to video it. But it wasn't really ideal. And so normally your fingers want to go like that. So to press, say, an X button, your fingers have to sort of physically move quite a bit. So what someone did was to 3D design this. This goes into there, and as you can see, you've now got a much sort of better controlling system. It's a lot easier to hold on to because, again, the Nintendo's very thin and you find you're ending up with your hands sort of close together trying to do things. This gives you a lot more play and a lot more control. It's a lot better, but I'm still not brilliant at Fortnite. And then with this screen I can hardly even see the numbers. But I would say, I have seen someone on eBay selling something like this from China, but I haven't really seen anyone else selling it in England and in bulk or anything. So definitely a good thing to have. Definitely keeps your hands in a better position to play the game, any game really. But and again, when it comes to cost, I think the one from China is coming in at about £10, where this was printed using PLA, and it worked. You pay, well, I pay roughly a penny a gram. This can't be more than 100 grams. So the actual unit most probably cost about £1. That's why I say a 3D printer is always useful. We use it, or I use it for loads of things. This one did go wrong when I was printing it, as can be seen from there. But it only affected the last bit. And I've got some ideas for that anyway, filling it in with some, I think, Sugru as well. Now the one on Thingiverse, which I will link to, like I said, actually has 4 different designs. There's a very small one, maybe for smaller hands, up to a bigger one for bigger hands, and some of them are better. Some were saying that the way the handles are, it's easier on certain models than other models, but if it's easier for that, it might make a certain other bit a bit more difficult. So I will link to those before, underneath the eBay one in China, the Thingiverse files. It's a great little thing. It does also, you can also use it to stand up your Nintendo Switch if you want to, like that. Maybe, I suppose, if you're watching a video or something like that. Obviously it's not really on perfect ground there, but that's it. I'll have more videos every day. Please subscribe, give us a tick, comment on it if you want, ask questions if you want. Yeah, put another video up tomorrow. Cheers.